We'll guide you through how to make a table in ClickUp. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser on your computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing ClickUp. Once your browser is ready, go to clickup.com by entering the website address into the address bar. On the ClickUp homepage, click Login to open the sign-in page and access your account. Choose the login method you want to use, such as signing in with your email address associated with your ClickUp account. Enter your email address in the required field and ensure it is entered correctly before proceeding. Next, type your password into the password field associated with your account. After confirming that the information is correct, click Login to access your ClickUp account and continue to your workspace. Once you have successfully signed in, open the list within the space that you want to use and make sure you are working in the correct location. Click the View menu at the top of the list to display the available view options. From the list of views, select Table to add a table view to your current list. If needed, enter a new name for the table view according to your needs, then press Enter to save the new name. If needed, change the row height according to your preference. For example, select Medium for a balanced layout that is easy to read. If needed, enable the Show Closed Tasks option to display completed and closed tasks in the table view so all relevant tasks remain visible. If needed, enable subtasks to display subtasks together with their parent tasks for a more complete overview of your work. If you want to add a new column, click Fields to open the available field options. Enable any field according to your needs. For example, enable the Comments field so comment information is displayed directly in the table view. Once you have finished customizing the table view, close the Customize panel to return to your updated workspace. You have now successfully created a table view in ClickUp, and you can continue customizing it according to your workflow requirements.